cold in Canaan Valley. Yes, they're in the middle of an active blizzard warning. That's where we find meteorologist Bryan Hughes. He drove from Charleston to Canaan Valley to check it out. That wind is whipping. It's been making me cold for you, seeing you in the monitors. Bryan, what was the drive in like?
The drive, once I was going up I-79, everything was fine, until you get to, right at exit 99 when you hang that southward turn going towards Elkins. But between, between Buckhannon and Elkins, horrible on the road there. Then you get Elkins, slushy like crazy, and then coming up towards the Canaan Valley here, back towards Timberline, Canaan Valley Resort, it was not a fun drive. Now here's what I'm going to tell you. Look at, these are some of the my drive specifically coming up here. As we were just trying to make sure that everything was nice and safe and good, you've just got to definitely do the 10 and 2. There's no doubt about that. I would not recommend driving anywhere in the blizzard warning tonight. Sun is set. There's no help for you if you have an accident. I have been on this deck here, and right by the airport here, Canaan Valley, and Amanda, you know exactly where that is. You can see the wind whipping the snow around. I cannot see the resort, Timberline. You should be able to see it in the lights right now. I can't see that at the moment, but the wind, 40 to 50 miles per hour, guaranteed here. And actually, when I was unloading the truck, trying to get the equipment in here, the wind was blowing the door shut. I mean, that is a strong gust of wind. But what we're expecting now is at least a foot of additional snow from what we have now here in the Canaan Valley. And tomorrow morning, it's going to look like a winter wonderland, but the wind gusts still continuing to pound the entire region. So if anybody's going to give you out and about, Amanda, you definitely need to make sure you've got everything that you can to survive the night in case you have an accident.
Yes, and that wind is picking up right there. Bryan, we appreciate the report. Thank you so much.